a couple questions for you. Got a second?
Sure.
Great. Who inspires you?
Who inspires me? I would have to say the members of my team. So I'm pretty new here. I've been here for about 4 months, and I think my expectation is that they hired me because of what I already know. And what I've noticed in my team members is that they're always asking questions. And it's not about what they already know, it's about what they don't know and how they figure it out. And I really like the supportive environment. It's really inspiring to see people around me who can be comfortable asking questions and being vulnerable. Asking questions can be a very vulnerable experience, and they have a very supportive environment for that. And the expectation is really not just what I already know, but what I don't know and what I do with it. And that's one of the biggest things that gives me satisfaction in this job and makes me feel successful.
Love it. Love it. What new technology are you excited to see develop over the next decade?
That would have to be tools for making machine learning easier and more accessible. So it feels like we're in the age of, similar to traditional software engineering, it's like being in the assembly age. So before we had higher level tools like C++, everyone was sort of operating at the CPU level, adding registers together and sort of moving things at a sort of like lower level math layer. And with machine learning, we're seeing a lot of things being developed to make that easier and really transform the way our software looks and feels and how people develop machine learning algorithms. And so I think within the next 10 years, we're going to see this explosion. We'll see higher level languages, higher level tools that really give us a lot more capabilities in the machine learning department, and it'll make it accessible for people all over the globe to write software, just like we did with traditional software development. So that's what I'm most excited about.
Yep, that would be absolutely amazing to happen. So you know Next is coming. What are you most excited for that event?
This will be my first Next. I've never been to one before, and I'm working on a code lab that people will be able to work with, interact with, and it's a way to learn how to use Kubeflow, which is a way of deploying machine learning models and making them more accessible for data scientists, for engineers, for DevOps, for people all over to do machine learning more easily. And so I'm really interested to see how people interact with it, what kinds of problems they run into, to be able to ask them questions and hear the types of questions that they ask, what points of friction they run into, and why they want to learn it, what they're going to do with it, the types of things they build with it. So I'm really just interested to see, I know how I interact with the product, but I want to see how other people do as well, because I'll take that back and help to make the product better. That's what I'm most excited about.
Great. Well, I'm excited to see you there, and thank you so much for your time.
Of course. Thanks.
All right. Bye.
Bye.